Yes.
The stage is yours.
Let us start.
Good evening, Professor. Can I ask you a question? What do you see in the picture? Yes?
You're asking me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is it a garbage can?
Thank you. 2017, August, it was our summer vacation. I went to Singapore for a travel, and I saw this for my first time. When I first saw this, I thought it was a memorial stone, a rock. I didn't know what it was, because I've never seen this before in Korea. As I got closer, I knew that it was a garbage bin. It was not just a garbage bin, but it was a smart bin. It was attached to this very, very important technology, the IoT. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, our esteemed professors, audiences, and honorable judges. Today we would like to suggest IoT and environmental sustainability as the new direction that Korea must take in order to thrive in the upcoming decades. My name is Jeongho, and my partner's name is Seonghwan from the business school. So we mainly have three parts in our presentation. First, the concept of IoT. Second, the side effects of fourth industry. And lastly, the IoT solutions. The first two would be presented by my partner, and the last would be presented by me. So, Mr. Steve Jobs, are you there?
I'm here.
Okay, so what exactly is the concept of IoT?
So, have you ever heard of IoT? It is the core technology of the fourth industrial revolution. It is Internet of Things that establish mutual communication between the products and users based on the internet. As you can see, all the things are interconnected based on the internet. So I simplify the process. Let's see the process. There is an internet platform which is called cloud, and it is shared and applied to the things that you have, you use, even your part of body. And by using these things, we get data, and we classify the data into a specific valuable information, and we utilize this information to make our life better. It is the basic concept of IoT technology. So we'd like to suggest the way to utilize IoT technology to achieve the environmental sustainability. But before, we have to know the side effects of the fourth industrial revolution. There's no question that the fourth industrial revolution brings us better life, but it is too focused on the technological development. It means we thought that the biggest side effect is the negligence of environment. So it looks eco-friendly, but it's not. The fact, according to the research and the script of the conserved energy future organizations, there's still many unsolved environmental problems that is still getting worse. So, well, even if the technology is developing at the breakneck speed, but there are still unsolved problems. There are global warming, air pollution, deforestation, and waste disposal, which is called waste mountain, and water pollution. And how can we solve these problems by using the core technology of the fourth industrial revolutions, the IoT?
Thank you, Steve Jobs.
Thank you.
At this moment, we would like to again emphasize our main topic of the presentation. We would like to suggest Korean companies to catch both technology and environmental sustainability by using IoT. So our team have come to a consensus that the initial and the prime step that Koreans must have to take is to benchmark IoT applications that are already commercialized in foreign countries. So today we would like to introduce one potential company that uses IoT to solve environmental problems. The company's name is The Big Belly. Yes, The Big Belly. And this company wants to implement smart bins inside the streets, inside buildings, at cities, and eventually make a smart city. The ultimate goal of this company is to encourage users to behave in a more environmentally conscious behavior. What this means is that not only solving the environmental pollution by reducing the wastes and garbages, they want to change the people's thought to act in a more eco-friendly behavior. So this company emphasizes and stresses one keyword, which is optimization. So for example, let's look at the picture and see how it works. The picture on the left is the situation of Singapore, where the smart bins are implemented. And the right side is the situation in Korea, where there are only normal bins. The biggest difference, as you see, the pickup trucks' routes are different. You can see that the pickup truck in Singapore only have to get to 2 bins, while in Korea, you have to get to 4 bins. It's highly inefficient. So what this implies to us is that by smart bins, you can accumulate data and information and make optimized routes, optimized process, optimized plans. And this eventually leads to the reduction of CO2 levels. Why? Because you have shorter distances. The smart bin itself is also very eco-friendly. You can see the solar panel on the top. You use sunlight, green energy, also known as renewable energy. And inside, IoT analyzing sensors. You tell the garbage collectors, you tell the garbage company to come in and get my garbage. So it's highly efficient. These are the advantages of the big belly company, and we believe that this must be, as soon as possible in Korea, to be commercialized and brought in.
So, we suggest Korean companies should construct the smart cities based on the IoT technology. But we don't have much experience to apply this IoT technology into our life in the first place. So we suggest to benchmark the first movers of IoT like Big Belly. Let's sum up. We saw the concept of IoT, the core technology of the fourth industrial generations, which is based on internet interconnection. And we saw the side effects of the fourth industries, the negligence of environment. And the third, we suggest the IoT solutions based on the Big Belly. We have to construct the IoT-based infrastructure, but we don't have much experience, so we have to benchmark in the first place. Until now, Korea has been slower in commercialization of the IoT technology than other developed countries. At this point, as the fourth industrial revolution is approaching, to get the competitive advantage in this era, we have to focus on to balance the technological developments and the environmental sustainability. In doing so, there's no doubt that Korea can take advantage in the era of the fourth industrial revolution. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much.